Hello you guys! Today we're gonna prepare a dessert with just 2 ingredients. Easy and delicious. I'm sure you're gonna love it. In a bowl, add 80 grams of strawberry jelly, 600 ml of warm water, and mix well to dissolve the jelly. You can choose your favorite flavor. Let me know in the comments where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for keep on following our recipes. We'd love to know. Now, in a blender, and the dissolved jelly. There are only 2 ingredients we're gonna use. Mix well until smooth. See, this recipe is very easy. You just have to mix the ingredients to prepare it. It's quick and affordable. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then like the video and comment below, "I love dessert." Now put the mixture aside. Drizzle some oil in the baking pan and spread it across. Leave it in the fridge for 2 hours. And our recipe is ready! Super tasty and creamy! I hope you liked the recipe. Now I'm gonna thank in the comments whoever has commented on this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!